Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can use a model hosted in local in Visual Studio Code for development work. So for in this case, I just wanted to download Llama 4 12 billion 12 billion parameters. So this is okay, 7.56, and the beauty of the LM Studio, it let us know that which other models is suitable for our system configuration upfront before downloading it itself. As a suggestion, it is like helping to understand. Okay, so this model can be completely offloaded to GPU. That means it will load into the GPU in a single shot. So otherwise, it needs to share the CPU as well. So CPU memory. So it will be loaded partially on the CPU and partially on the GPU. That's going to give definitely different performance altogether. So while it is downloading, what we can do, I just go here in the chat panel. Since I downloaded um, my E4B here, okay, just I'll be increasing the context window here. And this model is capable of thinking as well as vision. If I upload any image, it can be able to get information from that as well. Okay, I'll say you. Okay. Yeah, it seems like it is doing very good at this point. Um, Interesting to see how much token it generates per second. It's pretty solid, almost a 61 token per second. That's good. It's still downloading. In terms of system configuration wise, it is a RTX Pro 2000 Blackwell architecture that comes with 16 GB of RAM. What we see here, on that 16 GB, we are using almost half of the capacity because the model size is like six point something, right? So it uses that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. While it is downloading, I'll go through the basic things in VS Code. So here we can able to see the model picker. Now we have other options as well. So what we need to do the very first time, click add custom endpoint. So I already did it. So basically I just given LM Studio local. So that's the endpoint name. Since I already have that, I'm giving local 2. I don't have API key protection in my local machine, thus I am leaving it as empty. Okay, as of now, it is going to be chart completion at this point. Yeah, so this is a new one, right? So LM Studio Local 2, the ID. So this model is a kind of list of models we are going to use from these particular provider. Okay, let's download it. Now I'm coming to developer option here. I remember again. If you don't see developer option, comes to here in the LM Studio settings, you need to enable this one. And one other thing, yeah, we can able to see how it's the system configuration and okay, yeah, good now. So this is the base URL where our server is running. I'm loading the model now. So open the newly downloaded Llama 4 12 billion. So what we have here, Um, by default, it will be like disabled. I'm selecting, I'm enabling it. It will give us to, okay. So if at all I want to go with this manage context window, how much system resource it is going to use. That's basically, I'll go with something around 20,000. So this is the context length I'm setting. If you don't select that checkbox, we can have other option to uh, increase this one. Okay, now it should be loaded into GPU. Yep, since the model is 9 GB, it took almost 10. If you forget to increase the context, we can increase it from here. So for example, in this case, if I do here something, it will ask us to reload the model. Okay, so from here, we need to note certain things. The first is the reachable URL, and the second is the model ID. So this is model ID basically. Straight away it can be copied by here, and the context size. Okay, these three needs to be added in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I am copying the model ID. Okay, so the URL. Yeah, this is the URL. Since this have tool calling capability as well as vision, made it true by default, and let it keeping the same. Okay, so maximum based on our system details, it can support up to 26,000 tokens. I just kept it 25. Yeah, we can change it later. Okay, it should show here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add additional enhancement to this component. At this point, it doesn't have much. Okay, so basically, I got to add product details. Okay, so simply giving 5 different details I need to be displayed for this one. Okay, it is reasoning out how we can know. Yeah, we can see the GPU utilization goes rocket high, and in the LM Studio, we can able to see it is working on, since they support parallelism, it is going to do much better. That simply reason out that this component don't have any input, so that it can fetch from or it can be passed from somewhere else. But yeah, as of now, I don't have anything as such. Yeah, we'll see what changes it has been made so far. To make it simple, it decided to keep the static content. So that's fine for now. think it is not properly wrapped, but yeah, it looks like they are the basic information that needed. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's what I just wanted to show here. Thank you. See you in the next video.